First, ensure your key fob has a working battery with voltage greater than 2.5 volts. Open all doors except the driver's door. Your key fob should be compatible, typically operating at 314.4 MHz for Ford models. The goal is to pair the fob's RF transmitter with the vehicle's body control module or powertrain control module, which can store up to 4 fob codes. To enter programming mode, rapidly cycle the ignition key from off to run without starting the engine. For these Mustangs, use the 7-cycle method. Turn the key to run, then back to off, repeating 7 times within 10 seconds. Press the lock or unlock buttons on your key fob to complete the synchronization. Listen for a horn honk or watch for the lights to flash, indicating successful programming. The sequence may vary slightly, depending on your Mustang's exact year and trim, so cross-reference your vehicle's details. If the programming fails, the most common culprit is a weak or dead battery in the key fob, so replace it and try again. Ensure you are away from strong electronic signals that could cause interference. Some models, like the 1999 Mustangs or V6 variants, might have slightly different programming sequences compared to later models or V8s. If you have multiple fobs to program, do them sequentially during the same programming session. If the car is leased or financed, be aware that DIY programming might violate the terms, so check your agreement. If you can't enter programming mode, no horn or light response, there could be a corroded BCM connector or a more serious electrical issue, and a mechanic might be needed. A DIY scan tool can read ECU codes to verify programming success. While this DIY method is generally effective, community reports suggest an 80 to 90% success rate. If problems arise, consider consulting a professional to avoid potential electrical issues or voiding any warranties.